Welcome. In this video I will demonstrate you how you can easily monitor food safety and food fraud incidents worldwide using the Safety Hut. With the Safety Hut you have an overview of current food safety and food fraud risks for your company. It saves you time because the tool informs you on a daily basis about incidents worldwide. This allows you to focus on other important tasks. Let me show you how it works. Once you are logged in on the website, you will arrive at the homepage. The homepage shows the navigation menu and 3 buttons: Alerts, Statistics and Fraud Risk Assessment Support. At the bottom of the page you can find useful information such as the user guide, definitions and categories. The alert dashboard shows you all food safety and food fraud issues on the sending order. Let's take a look at one of the alerts. Every alert has a title, date of publication, followed by a number of labels, summary, the possibility to add to favorites and the link to the original source. Searching for alerts. The fastest way to search is by using keywords. You can make a search more precisely by using the filter options. After selecting the filters, you can click on one of the buttons to show the alerts or statistics. As soon as the results appear, you can use the menu on the side to switch to the statistics dashboard, download the alerts in Excel, modify the search, make a new search or save this search. Obtaining statistics. The statistic dashboard gives you access to graphical displays and trend calculations. Search by using the filters is identical to the alert dashboard. You can also make a step-by-step search or make a comparative search. Let's start. In the step-by-step search you need to fill in a time range. This could be a specific time range or one of the 4 predefined time periods. Define whether the search refers to a specific product category or a specific type of issue. In this demonstration, we will search for listeria. Keywords can be added to make the search more precisely. In the final step, you can specify the geographic coverage of the search. The results are showing by clicking on Start Search. For a comparative search, choose the button Compare. In this demonstration, a comparative search is demonstrated. To do so, we will fill in the time period by which the search query needs to be compared to. In the dashboard there are several tabs: Statistics based on geography, Safety issues and Food categories. Within the geographical statistics, you can find the geographical distribution. You can select on Concerned countries, Notifying countries and Countries of origin. Within the safety issues you can see the distribution between the hazards and trends expressed in percentage. In this comparative search, a strong increase of listeria issues can be observed between 2 time periods. You can use the menu on the side in the same way as it's used in the alert dashboard. Furthermore, statistics can also be downloaded in PDF. There are 3 other functions to be mentioned in the navigation menu: Favorite alerts, Saved search and notifications. And within the notification function, you will be notified on a daily, weekly or monthly basis per email on relevant issues. The last part, Fraud Risk Assessment Support, shows reports per product category which are monthly updated. A report contains, amongst others, identified food fraud hazards, definitions and a summary of the most common fraud cases in a specific sector. This is how you can easily monitor food safety and food fraud incidents worldwide. On our website you can request a 10-day free trial. There you will find more information about the tool and prices. Thank you for watching.